Hedgehog's Homestead. Today I'm just cutting up some herbs from my garden. This is fresh cilantro, and looks like there's a couple leaves of parsley in here. We're going to take these herbs and hang them up, and some of them we're going to eat fresh. I love cilantro fresh, but the rest of them, like the flat leaf parsley, I'll go ahead and dry. And I think I'll just dry them by hanging them up inside the house, because I don't have a dehydrator right now, or I can't find it, because we just moved and we haven't unpacked all our boxes because we're going to move again in a year onto our own property. Well, we're having a house built. We're just hanging out here. And so if you want to come along with us and join us on that journey, we're having a house built, a barn dominium out in the country, and we're going to do some of the work ourselves. We're basically going to get it dried in and go from there. There we are. We got a whole bowl of flat leaf parsley and cilantro. The great thing about when you cut cilantro and flat leaf parsley, if you leave some leaves on the bottom where there's at least 2 leaves across from each other, the great thing about that is it will grow more. It might not grow more here in Tennessee, but if you're in a cooler climate, it will continue to grow as you give it a haircut. So don't worry about using your parsley. In fact, if you want to give it a haircut where you have 2 leaves coming straight across from each other, you will grow, your parsley will bush out, and you will grow more parsley than if you were not to cut it. So cut that parsley and eat it. It's delicious. Okay. I have to water it after I do this. So again, you want to chop when they have 2 leaves apart from each other, and then you'll grow more basil. And then the rosemary, just take off some of the new growth. Got fresh rosemary. Make some fresh rosemary chicken tonight. And then our thyme, we just want to give it a haircut. Like so. Take some of this basil as well. And I need to get watering some of this stuff because it's looking... So basically, here's this basil right here. Here's this basil right here. You can cut it right there. And now at the top of here, that will send out 2 more sprigs. You can already see one growing there. And you will have more basil growing from that. But I have to make sure I water that to make that happen. So we'll see you next time. So there we go. lots more herbs in our future to dry and eat. We got some rosemary. That's great fresh. You just take it off the stalk, or you can put it directly into soup that way. Fresh thyme and fresh basil. All right, you guys, you have a great day. Chase your dreams. I'm chasing mine. God bless. Bye.